I'm just about to head into the Lip Lab by Bike Beauty to make a lipstick. So excited. Just heading in now, and I see Alanna. I found my best vlogger bestie. And
we're getting lipstick besties.
We have our macaron and, and our red wine.
And Prosecco.
Ooh. On the horizon.
And Prosecco.
This is the best. It's the best girls' date. And look,
this is like exactly most necessary.
I think everyone needs a little bit of Bike Beauty in their life. I, for one, only have the birthday gift Bike Beauty lipsticks. So this is going to be my first official non-birthday gift Bike Beauty lipstick. I know. Big day. So I'm telling Daniel what kind of lipstick I want. Yesterday, I'm like, Joseph, my beloved boyfriend, what lipstick should I get? He's like, oh, something hot pink, but like not trashy.
Okay, Joe.
You know, like a darker hot pink.
Okay.
I'm like, great, I'm into this. So I have a hot pink idea, and then also Lisa Eldridge, you know, her new lipsticks.
The reds or the pinks?
Well, the coral. Go lightly.
Okay,
She's
cool,
into
cool.
the Audrey Hepburn, everything.
Love that, sweet.
So she actually just paid $30,000 for Audrey Hepburn's lipstick, just in case you were wondering.
Right.
Well, I think last one too.
Yeah. Pocket change. So maybe something along the Go Lightly. It's like a moisturizing coral, but I have some ideas for you. So
Awesome.
that's me. This is
So even if we find the perfect shade and there's just something that's not quite clicking in your head,
Yeah.
you can add like a drop to something.
Yeah.
Precisely fine too.
That's what I love about it is that like you can, because I mean like, you know, again, my idea of like the perfect coral and your idea of the perfect coral might not
Very
be the
different.
same, but that's okay.
Verbalizing color can be challenging sometimes, which is a great reason that we have the visual pigments behind us.
Okay.
These are not actually used in the process today. I had a client who came in asking for a coral, and so in my opinion, I was leaning her towards like a blend somewhere in here,
Yeah.
a pink and orange, and she and I were not really matching on color, so I asked, okay, let me stop.
This is our prep.
So you have just some micellar water in there. If you want to just moisten a little circle for me, just use it like a cleanser.
Awesome. Moistening myself. So I'm just cleaning my lips.
And like an average day, I'd say you were
Go right ahead and start buffing that on. You can also use your finger if you're comfortable. That's what person I would do. And then whenever you're comfortable, just grab the peanuts for me, wipe it straight up.
This is whipped cherry lip scrub.
Whipped cherry fruits.
Oh yeah.
So good. Yeah.
You know why? I never think to do my scrub. It's beside my sink. Do I do it? No. It could be better. So worth
nice
it.
reminder, tough in the shower. That way you don't even have to think about it. You don't
Yes.
have to worry about cleaning. So you can
Put
wash
it
it right off.
in the shower.
Yeah.
Praise be. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
We have the whip.
Yes.
Biodegradable, so rice bran beans are your lighting component.
Tastes like dessert.
So we've got
If you like that
the
cherry flavor,
cherry
measure that.
fruit scrub.
Agave lip mask. So this has agave nectar, Peach and vanilla.
This is an iconic product. I have it in the stick format. It's very good, and Joseph stole it from me, so it's very simple man approved.
All of our lip care is definitely unisex, just like all of our products.
He's a very simple guy in terms of his beauty routine.
Sometimes I actually sleep with this mask on. It's so nice. So sweet. It smells so good. Oh.
I use the tinted one with the glitter. It's very pretty. I think
love
so.
that
It's
one.
pink. It's very
very
nice.
pinky.
Yeah.
So,
This circle of happiness.
It's more matte to it. Just dab your color with the tissue. The shine goes off the face.
chestnut.
And also goes the other way.
funny names. Classy hot pink I'm looking
Maybe a
for.
sad
I like that. Yeah, it's a little more subtle than your like classic, like standard hot pink.
Like Barbie.
Exactly, it's a little warmer than
We're
a
not
Barbie.
trying to.
It's like Barbie elevated.
And then we mix those. I track them here. We have 1 unit of chestnut, 1 of peach, and a sheer. That's the sheer base from this tub here. And then we mix that with the pigments to create a lipstick formula. And then I'll have you try this out for me.
Yay. I've
Have
been.
you ever had somebody make a lipstick and that was truly hideous?
You can do up to 6.
Okay, no lipstick's hideous.
That's kind of the thing, because people have asked me that question. I don't find anything gross. Like, I really like unconventional colors.
Let me finish. Have you ever had them design a lip color that you just didn't flatter?
I have had someone that really wanted a color that I personally felt was a little bit light for their complexion. But at that point, that's their personal preference. It doesn't
know.
matter what I think about the color. I can recommend what I want, but if they feel like they look powerful in the lipstick, that's really all that matters at the end of the day.
It's about confidence and
Yeah.
self-expression.
I'm trying out my lipstick. Oh yeah.
How long does it take to learn how to make it?
I often apply my lipstick over a balm anyways to sheer it out, so this is very accurate. Ooh.
I'm super confident in my ability.
This is gorgeous. This is very summery. I find that I occasionally need to let it like sit in for a few minutes before I can like get an accurate representation of how it looks. Lipstick always looks scary if it's not what you're used to. And it's like, just live in it for 5 minutes and then,
I always recommend that to people. I completely agree with you.
and then you'll love it.
Me, just because.
Oh my goodness.
Do you ever get like people like on like traveling on vacation who have come just for this experience?
Yes.
People drive in from Detroit for the day.
Yes,
We've had 3 groups, I think. Yeah.
I've had a client that came over from nurse.
This is the perfect non-trashy
They
hot
came out because they know they're coming to Toronto.
Developed.
First thing they do.
So fun. Can everything in my life be this color? This is color
So I went to make
number
school
2.
right before this, and I worked at Sephora.
Ooh, I like the texture difference from the beginning.
Satin's great, yeah.
How long have you been doing? You have a blog and a channel.
I've had it. Well, I've had collectively for about 6 years.
Okay.
I did the blog for first. And then I dabbled in YouTube
Trick.
because I wasn't getting the growth I
This
wanted.
takes off the lipstick from your teeth.
Then
So this is color number 2. This light is washing it out
you
a
are so
little.
washed out.
It's making me look a little ghostly, but I think it's very pretty. This is cute.
Pop a little more of that creamy base you were talking about.
Oh yes.
I love the ability to like now.
Guys, I think I've made my favorite lipstick ever. So cute. The other one was giving me MAC Rebel vibes, whereas this one is just that like cool pink Positano.
Those are really nice. You guys are working.
I love this.
Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk and Charlotte Tilbury's Vintage Shoes. And then her new hot list too.
These are so cute.
Yeah.
They are the lip stains. Thank you so much. And they are like best. This one in particular.
Charlotte,
We're
but
getting our lipstick.
like if you're
stains.
getting 18
Can I bring it on top just so I don't forget?
35, but not at that stage. When I get the other day where I'm like,
So yummy. Lipstick.
and then said,
Perfect.
Why did you do an overflow?
Just to visual, honestly.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
It'll be the lipstick that's actually the visible portion is underneath this metal seam here. So everything down there is the lipstick bullet shape. This part above the seam to the top is just what anchors it in the bullet. It's like if you love a lipstick so much and you really have to dig a lip brush in
Yes.
there, that's this guy here.
Nice.
This top part will kind of get scraped off again.
Very cool.
So I'm going to heat the 2 mattes. These are satins. I'm going to heat our mattes.
tea towels and shit.
We're not ready to have a kid, and then they'll end up separate.
I use bowls just like this but bigger to make the
Big scale.
Every single lipstick is hand picked out of the mold, just like we're about to see Dave.
don't mess up my journal.
Oh my gosh, so nice. Wow.
Cherry Coke Zero.
That's actually perfect. Like, a good choice.
This is Fab Flush.
Correct.
Madeline.
Thank you.
Madeline's
Collab.
collab with White Beauty.
On shelves tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
My
Launching
shelf.
tomorrow, don't miss us.
So there are mattes.
Yay.
Perfect. It's crowding.
Oh my god. I'm gonna think that every single time I pull a lipstick now. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Alanna, too much.
And just so you know, the little beads on it are just condensation. They're just water. They'll go away. Here's your perfect lipsticks.
Oh my god.
Let's just gone ahead and prepped our bags here. We're including as part of
Oh my gosh, they have lipstick wrapping paper. Any gift, you guys, this is the place to be. Oh my gosh, so sweet. Done our lip lab. Alanna and I have finished our incredible Bite Beauty experience. It was the perfect way to enjoy a Thursday evening, in my humble opinion. We are sporting our lippies. And I like the fact that you get to name it and engrave it. I didn't realize that they actually put the name on it for you. That is so
They really
special.
upgraded that from a couple years ago, and you could just put up to 2 initials. So my old ones say A-N. I couldn't even have my middle initial.
Oh my gosh.
And now I can give like a full
That is
name.
so nice. We're both planning a 30-person party.
Yep, you're invited.
So, and they have a really nice event space upstairs. And the people were just very professional, very nice. The whole thing was so sanitary and so clean and
lovely.
Yeah, very, very nice. The environment was amazing. I did a little bit of shopping, got a few $5 lip liners that were on clearance. And what else did I want to mention? Oh yeah, oh my gosh, with the Bespoke lipstick package, you get this amazing lip treatment box, which is totally unexpected and so fun because half the battle with putting on lipstick is having prepped and primed lips. So they took care of that for us, and I'm so excited to have more Bite lip care because I just have one of their lip balms, which is a massive fave, especially in the winter. So now
we've changed that.
I have even more. So exciting.
And
Anyways.
lip liners are on sale.
Yes. Run.
Don't walk.
Run, don't walk.